let's move on to the next special journal. I'm not going to put really any transactions. I might put one or two transactions up here, but the cash receipts journal is whenever cash is coming in. Now you can see this is a lot different than the sales journal. We've got the account credited, we've got an explanation, because sometimes you want some additional information. Why is this money coming in? Is somebody refunding money to us? Are they paying off their account? Is it a cash sale? Okay, so you might want some sort of explanation. Posting reference, once again, where are these numbers going to? Are we posting, if cash came in, then we might have to go to a subsidiary ledger and record, oh, Mark paid us off $1,000. So why don't we do that right now? Let's change this date to March 10th, okay? And let's say that Mark is paying us off, okay? So if Mark's paying us off, cash would be debited, and let's say that there was no discounts or anything, so I'm just gonna make this really simple. Cash came in, $1,000, and then we have to reduce Mark's accounts receivable, okay? So that's a very common reason why cash might come in. One of our credit customers previously who bought from us on credit is now paying off, okay? And you can see there's also a column here for sales discount. If we had a sales discount, we'd record whatever the discount amount is for that. There's other reasons why cash can come in. It could have been a credit sale, and if it was a credit sale, then you get cash and sales. Then you might have to debit cost of goods sold, credit inventory, like you do with any sort of sale when you're selling some merchandise. Okay? Now, with this, we would have to record this in his subsidiary ledger. So we would check that because we're going to put down here on March 10th, he paid us off, and this is coming from cash receipts journal, which might be just receipts are, let's say this is page 2. So we would put down here that it came from R2, $1,000. So now his overall balance would be 0 because he paid us off. Okay? Cash can come in because we borrowed money. If we borrowed money from the bank, cash would come in, let's say it was $10,000, we put $10,000 here. And then over here, see there's an other column, because cash can come in for lots of different reasons. So if we got $10,000 cash, we put down $10,000 here in the other account, because you can see I don't have a notes payable or loan payable column. If I had a notes payable column, then I'd probably put it there, but I don't, okay? Think about why cash comes in. It can come in for lots of reasons. Well, you don't want to have a spreadsheet that's just huge, okay? You want to have the main reasons why cash comes in, and that's what we have here, the main reasons, and then you're going to want an other column for all those other miscellaneous reasons. What will happen is, if it was $10,000 cash coming in from the bank as we borrowed money, then cash would be debited because we got the cash, and then the note payable would be credited, okay? When you go to put this into the ledger for notes payable, then let's say the ledger is account 220. Well, in the posting reference, you put 220 because you're going to put this into the ledger for notes payable, okay? Now, once again, I realize this is confusing. It's really hard to do this on a YouTube lecture, on YouTube video. So you really have to look at your textbook and go through these examples, because your textbook will have lots of different examples. I'm just showing you just the basics of how this works, and the setup of it, and the posting reference, and while we have all these columns. You need to go in and spend some time on your own and look and see where are these numbers coming from, where are they going to, and how this all works. You really need to spend some time doing that to get it into your brain for yourself, okay? Good luck. I'm not going to do videos for the other two special journals, which are the purchases journals and the cash disbursements journals, because they work the same way. They just have different purposes. So you need to go through and make sure you understand those two special journals also. All right? Good luck with this chapter.